Esky?
And we'll take this one home. She can be
in the bag.
Fish.
You got a fish?
But for a single man, if you were starving,
yeah, I can.
Caught 2 of them and put a bit of fucking bush yam and a bit of fucking sweet potato in the cunt. That's a fucking feed, brother.
It saved my lunch.
Okay, now, mate. Put a little bit of water, mate. Watch him at the bank, bro. He goes real soft, real quick. You'll just sink.
Oh my!
Yes.
Cool. I don't know what.
Pass him back that way. Pass him back that way. Take him up.
Shit.
Oh.
All right.
Oh, no.
Do you want to hold the fish?
No, you're right. Well, you're gonna go with me.
Oh, you're replacing the dead fish.
Oh, she might have one eye, but I'll finish this surgery.
Into the pond.
And that other one better not be mean, because I've seen her get picked on.
Be careful, don't hurt it.
I'm trying not to, brother. Oh, we have to call him one eye. I just took his eye out.
Oh, really? Did you? No.
No. Right, brother, what you got to do is, can you get back up there without making trouble? If I throw this up...
I will hold the fish hook if you want.
Yeah. No, you get up there first, brother, and I can throw the fish hook to you. You get out first. No, you poke out first, Mom. Maybe that's fine. You'll sink there. Once you get up there, I'll chuck you this line. No, hang on when I get out, brother.
Give me. Yeah. They give you the water, then let's put it.
No, because then you've fucking got the fish in the bucket and both of you will fall in the water. No. At least now it's only you two are going to fall in the fucking water. No.
So what do you want me to do? Oh, I don't.
You two get out first.
Okay.
You two get out without falling in the water. I'll give you the fish.
Alright, here we go.
Sorry, brother.
Okay.
Don't you make me fall in there.
No, I'm not.
Go that way. Long leg. I told you. Don't you gonna make my tree fall over.
My goodness.
No, you do it. Put it in full drive.
Okay, I'm out.
You can four-wheel drive, brother.
Quick, otherwise die, the fish.
He won't die. Rexy Hunt kisses him and does things to him before he goes to bed. They never die. You ready? Don't get hurt here, brother. Yeah, that's the trick. If someone just grab that and wait his kill feed him out so he doesn't get tangled up, and then I'll throw the line out to you. And I'll take these two.
Got it?
Yep.
Hit 5 coming here. You'd see the big fish.
Is the fish still living?
Yeah, you got one eye though. You've been forever known as one eye.
The fish wife here, come here. Oh, fisherman. Okay, you think it will alive?
Yeah, but he's alive.
Yeah, fishy, 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 fishy.
Fishy! I told you, brother.